Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. This is ringtone and notification volume panel, because as you can see that one, I just moved the ringtone volume panel. The silent mode is on, but silent mode, that means that our notifications and calls, they are muted. But I suggest you to do this with another way, because if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only your device notifications, so just you should go here into the notification sound section, click to the more, and switch your currently notification sound just to don't set ringtone. After that, just go back here, and now you can see that we have now set it any notification sound to the notifications, and by this way we'll mute our notifications, but we'll stay here with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.